Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, we are starting experiment number 4 of class metric physics. So our object is plot magnetic field due to a bar magnet. In this experiment there are two parts. In part A we place the bar magnet in which are north pole pointing towards south, geographical south direction, and in part B we place our bar magnet in which our north pole pointing toward geographical north geographical north direction. So the apparatus we need: simply drawing board, drawing paper, bar magnet, magnetic compass, and scotch tape. Before doing this experiment, you have to know some theory. Magnetic field is an area in which magnetic effect is felt. Magnetic poles: magnet has maximum power, attraction or repulsion on its opposite end, which we are called poles. Magnetic force: as you know, magnet have a property of attraction, so the force they use to attract other magnets is called magnetic force. Now we start our experiment. So in part A, object is magnetic north pointing toward geographical south. This is our geographical south, and in part A they say you will put your magnet just like your north pole of magnet is pointing towards south. After putting magnet like that, you need a compass. As you see, I put the compass on the north side, and the red arrow of the compass show the direction of the magnetic field. I put the compass at the corner, and red line show the direction of the magnetic field of this magnet. I mark that arrow and that
replace the compass and mark the direction of the field. As you see, I mark it and I replace my compass and it gives as you see, compass change their direction when I replace it in different position. So here magnet compass give the magnetic field like that. So it show its magnetic line of force goes from north to south. We will do this same in the denominator. As you see, red line of the compass give the direction. I mark the direction and replacing it according to the direction. When I replace, the compass changes their direction. Compass change its arrow direction and I mark arrow. I simply replace the compass and compass give the direction according to the red line, and I just mark it. So I find the magnetic line of forces.
Here red line is go according to the from north to south. So it also show magnetic line of forces goes from north to south, and at this area at the corner, this is the effective area of magnetic field. I will do the same procedure on replace my compass here, here, here. As you see, when I replace it here, so it gives the direction like that. I will do the same in the denominator.
you will do same procedure for 3 to 4 lines of 3 to 4 magnetic line of forces.
So in this part A, you simply see when I place my magnet where north pole pointing towards south, so my magnetic line of forces is goes from north to south, and this is the effective area of this bar magnet. So now in part B, repeat the experiment in such a way that the magnetic north pointing towards geographical north. This is our geographical north, and magnetic north is also pointing toward geographical north. Now I mark the line at the center, so uh, our magnet is not replace their area. I put the magnet at that line, then I use the compass same as before. I will place the compass near the north and mark
with the arrow line. As arrow lines show the direction, I mark at the end. Replace the compass and go with the arrow line of compass. Red side of arrow in the compass give the direction of magnetic field of that bar magnet. Okay. So as you see here, when I simply place my magnet north pole towards geographical north, so my magnetic line of forces is going from north to south. How you see north to south? Because if you place the magnet, the red arrow give me the direction of magnetic line of forces. It gives the direction from north to south. Magnetic line of forces come from north to south, and this is at that area. The magnetic field is this, and at this area. This is the magnetic field. You will do it proper manner. You will do it in a proper manner, and we will do the same from in denominator from north. Mark it. Now joins the dot, and you will do it in 3 to 4 times and draw 3 to 4 lines of magnetic field.
So what we get in the result in part A and part B, we get the result. Our magnetic. So what we get after doing part A and part B, we find out the magnetic field of this bar magnet by drawing magnetic line of forces. As you see, this is part A and this is part B, as you see before. So this is simply our practical number 4, and this is the result. This is the magnetic line of forces. After done your experiment, you just write your method, how you did your part A and how you did your part B, and then write result precautions. I think you understand. If you have any query, ask me. Thank you.